quick update what we've been doing today. So got a load of big pieces of beech up on the trailer there, some big rings, I don't know, about 4-5 foot across and about nearly 2 foot thick. So we've been lifting them down with the back actor and the digger. At this point here you can see us just lifting a couple of the pieces down. That's my little lad here on my lap. He's only 2 years old, so he was just having a go with the controls there, lifting a piece down. Obviously the arms, it's fully extended position there, so we're just bringing it down, drop it down onto the floor. He absolutely loves it, bless him. His name's Harry. Dropped them down here and we've been cutting them up into pieces. Got a couple of these Stihl saws out, and we've got the old Husky 51 there as well. Ran that up. It's quite dense. So we're just in the process at the minute, just putting them up on the log splitter, trying to get them into more manageable pieces, make some logs out of it. Got Uncle Sid's 4-cylinder 35 here, and a screw type splitter that we had made by a relative. You can see in this point here, this is my dad just cutting up some of the pieces, so quite a few of the bits are quite nice and straight. The grain was straight, so split up pretty easily. So just breaking them down from big pieces, hardening them again, trying to get them more manageable, easy to lift, and obviously eventually getting down to pieces you'd want to burn on your fire as well then. So the next part of this video here, you can see quick look round my uncle's 4-cylinder 35. So we had the cylinder head worked on the other year, also had falling line heat pump fitted to it as well, so made a massive improvement to it. Starts so much easier than it used to.